Let's make some honey butter cornbread. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups of yellow cornmeal. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 1/2 cup of white sugar. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna give it a mix. Now that it's all incorporated, I'm gonna put it to the side and work on our wet ingredients. 1.5 cups of milk. I'm using 2% because that's all I have. 1/2 cup of sour cream. I'm sure you could use Greek yogurt here. 2/3 of a cup of melted butter. 1 14-ounce can of cream of corn. 2 eggs. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I forgot to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of honey. I'm gonna give it a really good whisk. Normally you would add the wet to the dry, but I put my dry in too small of a bowl, so we're gonna do it in reverse. We're gonna add our dry to our wet. Now we're gonna combine the 2 of them together. Have some butter. I'm just gonna grease my 9x13 casserole dish really well. I'm going to put this into the oven at 375 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. While it's in the oven, we're gonna make our honey butter, and halfway through baking, we're gonna add it. While that's baking, I'm eating my cheesecake I made yesterday. Is it weird that I wanna drink this? Don't worry, I didn't. 1/2 cup of melted butter, and I'm gonna add like 1/3 of a cup of honey. I legit never measure anything. I hate following rules. We're halfway through. I'm just gonna pour it, but you could absolutely brush it on as well. I'm not sure if it's supposed to crack on top. I've never made this. I have no idea. All I can smell is creamed corn and honey. See how shiny it is from that honey? It's pretty sweet looking. We're gonna let it cool. I have never tried cornbread before. This will be my absolute first time. Not sure how I'm supposed to scoop this out. Oh, just like that. Hopefully it tastes better than it smells. It's like the perfect creaminess. That honey makes it really sweet. What are you supposed to eat this with? Is this like a side item, or do you like dip it in soup or something? I don't know. I can't even compare it to anything. Like, it's actually really good. I was actually making this for somebody else today, but I don't think they're gonna get any of it.